Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video on how to make a fidget spinner. What you guys need is one bearing and a straw and some tape. So what you want to do is, first of all, spray and WD-40, I forgot to mention that, and scissors and a napkin. So spray WD-40 all over this, like so. Okay? I already did that, so I don't need any more WD-40. That will make it go faster. Next, what you guys want to do is put the straw through the hole like so, and measure out how long you want the hand holder to be. And then take your scissors and basically snip it off. That will be like that, okay? Now tape it. Now tape the straw like so till it will fill in that bearing. And cut it and take your straw, put it right through the bearing. And it needs to be snug. And we need one more roll of tape for it to be snug. Now legit, this is the easiest spinner to make. I just thought of this idea. I bet you've never seen a YouTube video on how to make a spinner like this. This is one of a kind. I know it's a very stupid spinner, but hey, get what you get. Won't throw a fit. You know what I mean? Still trying to get it snug in there. I just need to keep taking layers off of layers. I think this would be good. Yep. Now this is your fidget spinner. If you guys do have a hot glue gun, you can always remember to have 2 other bearings by you. My 2 other bearings are in this. I'll show you guys. You can remember how to have 2 other bearings. And you guys would be... You can honestly just... don't sell them, but like give them to people if they're bored. And all you guys need, a straw and 1 bearing. This is the skateboard that I was using, the wheels. And yeah, so. And if you guys have another bearing, you could have 2 bearings. But anyways, if you guys have a hot glue gun, you could glue it on, and then put like a penny and another penny here for thumb grip. But I don't have a hot glue gun, so just put 2, just glue it on, and then take the other one, and then glue the other one on, and fill. Show you. Fill all of this in with glue. Fill all of it all around and on the other side also. So that is how you make a fidget spinner. Thank you guys so much for enjoying this video. The support lately has been pretty good. Let's get some more subscribers, please. So just subscribe, like this video if you have an YouTube channel, but turn on my post notifications, and why not just like this video for me, and that would mean so much for me. And yeah, see you guys in my next video on how to. See ya!